Yesterday you were looking at my bed, but today that is all. We will be unboxing Elite 33 Seth Rollins, but all the other unboxings they were already unboxed. If that sucked, you will see a real unboxing. So, do the looking, because I don't have a knife or anything, so, well, with me right now, but I do. Look at all this little thing crap. You know what? Wait, I forget how to open a leak. I opened the rollins place, I guess. This is the packaging. So, I just got him last night. Comes with the on and off, removable full vest. Oh yeah, and I'll just show you guys the back. It's the wrestling. Oh, it's the WrestleMania 30 attire, and it just tells all this stuff. And so this is like when he was in the Shield. There's his little vest when he was in the Shield, and last night I was looking in Walmart, and first I found an Elite 31 cane, but then I found this Seth Rollins hiding, and it comes with the shiny version, not like the doll version of the Tag Team Championship. And that's all of his accessories. But now it's time to get him out. Body gear, which I'm doing off camera. Here, I'll put his accessories right there. There we go. Okay guys, this is what he looks like now in the WWE. Like he just wrestles in this with no shirt, so like if I wanted to, I'd listen to Graham. It's not paid over it, because this is a really good figure. It looks amazing. Maybe I'll put like the little belt. Maybe not. Well, that head scan for the Elite 33 is pretty good. There's the back of him. I'll get his vest on him. Wait, this thing doesn't even fit him. Maybe it does. Okay guys, I'm putting this one off camera. Now of course I'm wanting to collect that Elite 33 Roman Reigns, because he comes with the other tag belt, but even though I already have Roman. Damn, this is hard to get on. Okay, we'll just have it. Well, it sucks. It's like bending. Trying to get it on, guys. It is very, very hard. It needs to be moved back more, but it's just messing up. Hey guys, I've been trying to get it on for a long time. And, well, unfortunately, I might not be able to get it on. I got the other side on perfect. This other side won't communicate. Oh, whatever, I still got it. So this is him with his vest on. It has the shield logo, and it does come off. Got the tag team belt. Geez, that's a pretty big tag team belt. And hold that up. That's the figure review. But that belt is really cool. I like that. So, come on, guys. This video is not end yet. Not yet. I'm just looking for something here. I have completed the shield. Echo Lima Delta the shield.